IKEA have dropped their April collection, and honestly, this might be one of their biggest months yet. They finally brought the viral donut lamp that sells out worldwide to the UK. There's a brand new build your own dining range, and I've found a £4 light that people are already comparing to designer pieces. So today I'm going to take you through what's new, what's actually worth buying, and anything I think you can skip as well. So the first thing I spotted is this brand new build your own dining collection, and this is actually really clever. Instead of buying a full table, you choose your tabletop first. There are loads of different finishes, all really affordable, especially with the 15% off that is on at the time of filming. Then you pick your legs. There are loads of options. There's wood, black, metal, and you can completely change the look depending on what you're going for. I actually really like the wood effect top and the dark legs. It looks far more expensive than it is. And the legs either come in a set of 4 or 2 if you're going for a bigger style. But what this means is you can completely customize it in your space, and they've done the same with the chairs as well. We've got different seats in fabric, wood, loads of colors and textures, and then you choose the base separately. So again, you can mix and match depending on your style, and the best part is if you ever change your color scheme, you don't need to replace everything. You can just swap the legs or change the seats or update the top, and it completely transforms the look. Honestly, this feels like IKEA trying to give you that designer custom furniture look, but at a much more affordable price. Now this is such a simple idea, but I actually think it's brilliant. This is the Tranner armchair tray. It's £15 and it just sits over the arm of your sofa, so you've got a proper flat surface, perfect for coffee, your phone, even a little snack without needing a side table, and it makes everything feel a bit more put together without taking up any extra space. These are the brand new Frotorp tables. The coffee table is £129 and then there's a matching side table for £80. What makes these interesting is the design. You've got the marble effect underneath, but the top is kept really simple. And then pair these with the soft silver metal legs, which gives it a quite premium feel. It's the kind of mix of materials you'd normally see in much more expensive designer style furniture, and I just think this is a really easy way to make a living room feel a bit more elevated without spending a fortune. But let me know what you think. It's quite a specific style. There is loads of new lighting in IKEA at the moment, and this is one of the new ones. This is the Fado lamp in the pink glass. It's £19 for the 25cm size, and I think it looks far more expensive than that. It's got that really soft glow, that kind of glass finish you'd normally see in a high-end shop. Do check the stock though, as it was very low in my store. But this is the viral donut lamp. This has been all over social media. It completely sold out in other countries, and it's been really hard to get in the UK. The original version was the orange glow, which they did have in my store, but they've now launched this new white version. And what's really interesting about this one, it actually changes colour. So you can change through different tones, and it doesn't just switch instantly like an LED. It kind of slowly moves through the colours, which makes it feel much more premium. You can dim it, you can adjust the mood of it, and it's definitely more of a statement piece than just a lamp. It's not just lighting, it actually makes a bit of a statement. And I've picked one up and I'll show you it properly at the end. And then right at the other end of the scale I found this. This is a new LED light. It's only £4. Now this one has been compared to those more expensive colour changing lights you see, but this one actually reacts to sound and music as well, which is not what I expected for the price. You can dim it, it changes colour, and it's £4. Honestly, I don't think they are going to hang around for long. I actually had to go off and hunt for these because I couldn't find them. They're very hidden, but I did manage to pick one up and I'll show you at the end. They've also got some really nice new artificial flowers at the moment. These little primroses are £3 for a set of 3. Then they had these baby's breath plants in white and pink. I actually picked one of these up because I just thought it was so pretty. If you just want an easy bit of colour you can bring out year after year, these are perfect. And then bougainvilleas, the kind you see on holiday, they're £12, really bright and actually look quite realistic as well. Also had some really fun bright trays in. This pink one was £4, which I thought was really good, and you can never have too many trays. There was also this big round floral one and then one with a fried egg on. I mean, what more do you want from a tray for £4? This is the Hemnes daybed, and this is actually a limited edition version in the grey-green colour. It's currently £279 with the 15% off for IKEA members, which I think is such a good price. These are such a great space-saving piece. You've got the storage underneath, and it can double up as a sofa or a bed. I'm actually quite tempted by this for the spare room, but if you do like this colour, I wouldn't hang around because it's limited edition, and I don't think it will be hanging around for long. If you haven't watched my IKEA sale video yet, definitely go and check that out, especially if you're looking for storage, because they're clearing out a lot of the older pieces at the moment, which makes sense because they've got some new chests of drawers coming in. This one is brand new. I really like the design, especially the slimmer top drawer, although I couldn't actually get to it because it was attached to a big unit. This one though, it's a hard no from me. It looks a little bit DIY, very Facebook Marketplace. Bought it for a £5 and you're going to try and do it up. Not really my style, but they did have some nicer pieces. This one was £299 in a whitewash wood finish. The drawers are really smooth, felt quite good quality. Just bear in mind you can see the wood grain through it, so it's more of that washed, slightly rustic look. If you prefer a really clean crisp white, you're probably not going to like this, but they did have a few options in this style, including a bedside table for £59, which I thought was really a good price. And it also comes in a grey as well. Overall, I think these are quite nice if you like that softer wood finish. Now, you'll probably know I'm a big fan of Pax wardrobes, but this standalone one really caught my eye. This is a brand new design and it's got some really lovely detail. The drawers glided really nicely, all feel very solid, and I love the lining on the inside. The little yellow check makes it feel that little more considered. It's £350, which I actually think is good value for something like this. You've got the mirror, the storage, and you could easily add lighting as well, like they show on the website. I just thought it was a really nice piece. Then I spotted this chest of drawers, and to be honest, I thought it was up back to front. I genuinely thought this was the back, but no, this is the front. It's £15, so very affordable, but it definitely gives DIY one of those pieces you paint, change the handles, but as it is, it's just a little bit school project for me. Here is the donut light out the box. Just comes with a nice long lead to plug it in, and you get this little controller. Turn it on, just press one button, and then turn it off, you press the other button. So it's an on-off button, and then I've worked out if I hold the off button slowly, it goes up and down in brightness. So it is quite bright. So I'll turn that one down, and then if you want to change the colour, it's double click. So that's like a really light pink. I'm not sure the camera is really showing it up. Now it's more pink. Orange, you can see the orange. Really dark. Ooh. Pink. Purple. I'm just saying the colour in case it's in sharp blue. So it goes through all the different colours. That's a really nice light blue, but again, you can't really see it on the camera. Going green. And back to white. Also picked up one of these LED lights. They are only £4, incredible value, and they do change when music is playing, so grab one if you can. They're very hidden in the lighting section. The other item I picked up were one of these beautiful little flowers. I'm a real fan of the artificial flowers. I love the fact you can bring them out every year. They don't die, obviously, and I thought this would be really lovely to put in my office. It came in 2 colours. I went for the white with a little pink detail, and of course I picked up another jar of this because I'm absolutely addicted to it. So let me know what you think about all the items that are new for April, and if you haven't already checked out my IKEA sale video that went up 48 hours ago, do check it out because there is so many deals and there is so many of this available to order online. If you don't have an IKEA near you, don't forget to check out the other videos on my channel. I have loads and loads more coming, so I want to thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on the next one. One before I go, my small business, the Linen Organiser, is now back in stock. If you want your bedding neat, separated and easy to find, these bands keep everything together perfectly. They're available in all sizes and you can shop them on Amazon with free Prime delivery across the UK. I'll leave the link below.